Probably one of the biggest cooking misconceptions in Trinidad and Tobago is that meat needs to be marinated in seasoning for hours in order for the final dish to taste well seasoned. In this video, I'm going to show you how you could achieve great flavors without pre-seasoning or marinating your meat. We're going to be using 4 basic ingredients to season and cook 2 chicken breasts: garlic, thyme, salt and black pepper. Now you could switch out the fine thyme here and use shadow benny. You could use rosemary, sage, any herb that you like. We're also taking it a step further by stuffing the chicken breast with garlic and thyme. Basically, use my knife to cut a kind of pocket into the chicken breast, and we're going to stuff that with the garlic and the thyme. We're going to season the surface of the chicken breast with salt and black pepper. You want to heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and you want to add some garlic cloves and some thyme to the oil to kind of infuse more flavor into the oil. Add the chicken breasts and cook on each side for about 5 minutes aside. Then you want to cover it and reduce to a low heat to allow the chicken breast to cook for another 15 minutes. It's important to cover the chicken breast because you need the meat to cook right through. Searing it on each side is just going to cook the outside of the meat, but you really want the meat to cook right through the center. And what's going to happen is while that meat is cooking through the center, the garlic and the herbs that's in the middle of the meat is going to kind of permeate the entire chicken breast, and you're going to get that flavor of garlic and thyme going right through the meat. After about 25 minutes of cook time, your breast should be done. Remove from the pan and allow it to rest for about 3 to 5 minutes to allow the juices to reabsorb into the meat, and that's going to give you a more succulent final product. For the full recipe, check out our website at eatahfoodtt.com. If you like this video, make sure and give it the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. You could go ahead and like us on Facebook at eatahfood or follow us on Instagram at eatahfoodtt. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.